Hi, everybody. We're doing 27 times 43. We are using partial products. And as always, I encourage you to pause the video, try a step, unpause to kind of use the video as you go. But you can also follow along if this is new to you. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So, our first step is to take that 27 and put it into expanded form along the top here. So, the 2 is really a 20, and the 7 is a 7. Next, we're going to take that 43 and put it into expanded form along the bottom. The 4 is a 40, and that 3 is a 3. And now we're ready to multiply. So you can look on the right there. It shows you what colors we're doing, but basically we're starting with the green. And we're going to do that 20 versus both digits of the other number, never against its partner. So it'll be 20 times 40, and then 20 times 3. And we can follow these arrows, the green ones here. So 20 times 40 and then 20 times 3. So for 20 times 40, forget about the zeros. We're going to do 2 times 4, which is 8, and then stick those 2 zeros back in to get 800. Then we're going to do 20 times 3. So forget about the 0 and just do 2 times 3 and then stick the 0 back in. 2 times 3 is 6. The 0 makes 60. You're now finished with the 20. You're done with the green because it multiplied against both members of the other team. All right, next we're going to do our blue. So we'll do 7 times 40. 7 times 4 is 28, and we'll stick a 0 on the end. And then we'll do 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So feel free to pause the video, add all these up, and see what you get. I'm going to add them now. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 8 plus 2 is 16. We're going to carry the 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. And we get 1,161.